Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Robinhood to Authenticator app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And basically, all you need to do is to go to your profile settings so you can add another measure of security. And to do so, you will need to click on the profile icon here in your menu down here. So after going to your profile, you will need to click on the three line bar or the three-line icon of a menu in the corner. And basically, by clicking on it, here we will find the logout, Robinhood support, settings, and security and privacy. And basically, in the security and privacy, we will find the two-factor authentication. And basically, Authenticator is a part of the 2FA. So basically, you need just to click on it, and then you will need just to enable your two-factor authentication. You click on it, and after that, you will find these three methods. So either you can have device approval, text messages, so you will be receiving an OTP or one-time password in your SMS, and then you can also connect an authenticator app. And basically, you might have the Google Authenticator, you might have Microsoft Authenticator, or any other authenticator app. So basically, you will need just to click on it, and then you can click either on my default authenticator app that you have on your phone, or you can choose any other one. And basically, after that, you will need to try to scan the QR code that you have, or send the code to the Authenticator app, and they will be automatically linked. And from there, you can start connecting to your profile by using this Authenticator app. So simply, this is how you can start connecting your Robinhood account to your Authenticator app. So thank you for watching and see you next time.